Hey, Wannaberocker here. Got a dead guitar came into the shop today. We're going to do a quick troubleshoot. See what's wrong with it. I kind of figure I know what's wrong already, but let's have a quick look. And if we pick it up and have a look here at the input jack. Yeah, it's loose. So what I figure happened is it spun around, tore a wire off. So let's have a quick look and see what it is. Okay, so I've taken the input jack off the guitar. And if we have a quick look, looks like the live wire here, or the wire soldered to the, it doesn't look like the solder is a cold solder joint. Looks like the wire's loose. So we're gonna have to resolder this connection. Okay, before I get the solder going, I always like to put a touch of flux on my solder joints. Makes the solder flow a lot better. So that's all, just a touch of flux there. And now I'm going to flow some solder on that cold joint. Okay, the soldering iron's warmed up.
Then Saturday, lithium rocks on in. Only at Rock and Roll Heaven in West Seneca. Rock and Roll Heaven is only rock and roll, but we like it.
Hey, Santora's Pizza Pub and Grill in 1927 Brewhouse now has daily specials. $15 Monday Madness. Takeout Tuesday with incredible pizza and wing combos. Wednesday is burger, beer, and bourbon day.
There it is.
Specials, late night specials.
I should have fixed that cold solder joint now.
Swing by Bloomfield Pub tonight for Acoustic Saturday. Live music from Alexander James starting at 7 p.m.
Hey, Wannaberocker, here it is, all put back together. Let's take it for a test drive, see what she goes. There it is. Dead guitar repair. All it was the input jack, the wire. Very simple repair. You can do this at home, no problem. Wannaberocker. See you next time.